Okay, I'm back. No need to look at that anymore. And today we are taking a look at another nice little Zippo. And today's video is brought to us by the Condor Combat Machete. You can see it back there. That Mystic Camo blade. It's a 13-inch blade. Overall length is approximately 17 inches. It's a wonderful little fighting knife. And today's video is also brought to us by the letter Z and George A. Romero's The Land of the Dead. This is a really good movie, and there are a couple of people worth noting that are in this. Let's see, Dennis Hopper, who, if you're familiar with Dennis, one of his best roles was in, there's his name, in Easy Rider. One of the best movies of all time. And Simon Baker also stars in The Land of the Dead. If you don't know him, he is The Mentalist. Really good series. So let's take a look at this Zippo, see what it's all about. Okay, so it arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says, "Keep calm, kill zombies." So this Zippo is on a white matte finish with a lot of blood spatterings over it. And it was made in, looks like, K of 18. Really good stampings on this. And the K of 18 is, I think that's November. Really good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. A lit drop test. Okay, there you go. That is the Keep Calm and Kill Zombies Zippo. One of the better ones. And does it deserve cowbell or not? Yes, I think it does. And maybe a little bit more. Knuckle bomb.